Hey, Junie Pie. Oh, uh-oh. See, nobody else seems to want the emotional support lemon because I think it's going to be quite lemony. Uh-oh, it's rolling. You got it? Where is it? Where is it? Uh-oh, it's gone. Niddles! He's like, I got it. Yes, you have. Right, don't bring it to me. I don't want it. Ugh. There's an unattended lemon. Niddles, go get it. Oh, for goodness sake. This pair wrestle, and they wrestle, and they wrestle, and they're terrible. Right, I think he gives in, Lanny. He's got a collar in his mouth. Right, enough. Come. Yeah. Oh, it's closed again. Hi.